Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how you can get a university rank. Yes, when talking about how we can get it, we are just having a confused mind what we have to do and what we have to avoid it. So in this video I really like to tell my points. In my point of view, what are the things that should be done and what are the things that should be avoided. So start our video. The first thing that you should be done is focus. If you focus starting from your first semester, then you be know what we have to do, and it will help you. It help you to find the innovative way to present your paper. It help you to find yourself, find your weakness, and try do work on it. Okay, as how we are just have to attempt that goal, we have to be focused starting from previous step itself. Then it should be help to achieve the things. Yes, as how we are standing in a line to buy something in a market, in same with the focus also very much important to achieve a goal, to become our dream to reality. So that the next thing that is good knowledge of core paper. Yes, we have you have to get a good knowledge of the core paper. The core paper is very much important when talking about university rank. So core paper, if it is a I'm a computer science student, so if it is a programming paper, if it is a programming paper, then you must understand the concept. What is the concept of the program? If it is a hello world program, then you should be know where the hello world should become, where that line should become, and that line should be how you can implement it in your program and bind it in your program, binding the concepts to your program. And then the next thing that is that you must highlight the program. Highlight highlight that that you must highlight the content of the program. If it is asking for finding the large number between them, then the number should be the number is that should be highlighted. If it is highlighted like this, then your examiner will be find easy to correct your papers. And the next thing that is syntax. The syntax is the main thing that you should be correct. Though how you can, if sometimes your syntax should also be correct, but your examiner didn't see means what it means. So basically start representing your syntax in a box. If it is represented in syntax, it should be noticeable by your faculties. Then if it is like this, then it should be good, then it should be corrected very easily. And then the next thing that is, if it is a non programming paper, if it is a non programming paper, what you have to do is, basically it's actually a theory. So how you can represent it a theory. It is representing theory and forgetting the main thing, that is not enough, right? Finding the thing that in a paper is just a bore work. So represent a theory, how can represent it. So if you are studying for a last time during your examination, what I want to tell you is, please just underlining the things in your book. If it is asking what is the definition for OS, what is the operating system, so you have to underline an interface. It is actually an interface between your application and hardware. If you forget this interface itself, how your paper should be get at a good marks. So if you started doing like this, it will be remembered till the last of your examination. Or else if you are preparing your exam before itself, so I want to tell you is, please understanding the concept. How you can understand the concept? By using of various websites. There are so many online platforms that you can make uses of it. And if you do listen to the video lectures and make use of those online websites. And yes, these are the things that you should be you that should have to done, visiting some websites, and yes, listen to the video lectures. And then the next thing that is that you have to be that your handwriting should be good handwriting. We are not asking you to write like a good famous writer of Prakriti Malla. We are just asking you to write like enough, that your handwriting that must be enough to understand by your faculty. Okay, that is, if you are writing that the words that is collapsing each other, Shakespeare, if it is collapsing each other, if it is mixed with each other, how your faculty should understand very soon. It, you have, they have to correct so many papers. If it is concentrating on one paper, that is not good, that is not, that's not the way. They're just marking you as for 2 marks, just 1.5. So if you are writing your words clearly, it is not collapsing between them. If it is clearly understand what it is, the word is, what you should represent, what you are representing, then it will be very much easily for them to correct your paper. And then the next thing, that is being consistent. Being consistent is not, definitely it's not going to be easy. If you find, if you will fail somewhere, if you are fail somewhere, if you are, if you are fail somewhere, yes, what I tell you is the handwriting that should be good. If you're handwriting like this Shakespeare, if you're writing like this Shakespeare, there will be a much difference. The words that are collapsing between them, and they are the words, they are not mixing between them, they are the single gap that is between their words, that should be done. If the words are clear, then it will be good for your faculty to correct your paper. And the thing that the next is being consistent. Being consistent is not an easy. We do face some failure times. We're also getting we're also getting a very low marks. In that time, how can we get university rank? Getting a university rank. So basically, if you be consistent at the time of your failure, at the time of your low marks also, and this anger, there will be an angry, that angry should be changed into the positive energy in the next semester, then the result will be what you are expecting. So follow this point. If you find my video anywhere useful, follow this point. If you find, in the next video, I'm going to tell you how you can calculate your CGPA and GPA for your university rank. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like, comments and share with your friends. Stay safe, stay blessed, be happy.